This 2025 Forest River FR3 Plus 35G is a Class A RV. It is located in Bradenton, FL 34208 and is offered for sale by Gerzeny's RV World of Bradenton. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River and features Sleeps 3, Slideout. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bath and a half, outdoor entertainment, rear bath. This 2025 Forest River FR3 Plus 35G is built on a Ford F53 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.